Hi guys! In this video, we are learning to say different sports in Mandarin Chinese. Let's get started. Swimming, 游泳 Running, 跑步 Jumping rope, 跳绳 Skiing, 滑雪 Ice skating, 滑冰 Cycling, 骑自行车 Playing soccer, 踢足球 Playing basketball, 打篮球 Playing volleyball, 打排球 Playing netball, 打蓝网球 Playing ping pong, 打乒乓球 Playing badminton, 打羽毛球 Playing tennis, 打网球 Playing cricket, 打板球 Playing baseball, 打棒球 Playing golf, 打高尔夫 There are all kinds of ball games or sports. The popular ones include 棒球、高尔夫球、板球、排球、橄榄球、篮球、乒乓球、羽毛球、网球。Can you tell what these ball games have in common? Yes, we play with our hands. So for these ball games where your hands are used, we need this verb, 打. If the ball game is played with your feet, we need a different verb, 踢. For example, 踢足球 Play soccer. What sports do you like? Which ones do you dislike? Are you able to talk about likes and dislikes regarding sports in Mandarin Chinese? Check out the other video on likes and dislikes. Good luck with practicing these words. See you in the next one.